Miss McKinney,
Yes, Your Honor.
we're back.
Yes.
I hope we are in better spirits.
I am.
Okay, good. And we're not going to allow each other to press each other's buttons, right?
Correct.
We'll
Okay,
see what she
ready.
does.
Okay, so we took the DNA testing, had all that done. Did you all have any problems with that?
No, none at all.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay, have the two of you had an opportunity to speak at all?
We've
No
spoken.
way. No.
Lies.
All right. Okay. We spoke for 30 seconds. That doesn't count. I didn't want to talk to you. You came up to me. I tried to end the conversation as quick as possible.
The atmosphere inside the courtroom grows increasingly intense as Ms. McKinney takes her place once again. Although the judge encourages everyone to remain composed, unresolved conflict immediately rises to the surface. What should have been a brief 30-second exchange quickly turned into a heated confrontation. With the DNA test results still unavailable, neither side is willing to give an inch. Keep watching, because the situation is about to take a dramatic turn.
Permission to speak?
Yes, ma'am.
That is not true. He called me and he asked me, he said, look, I don't know which way this paternity test is gonna go, but if you'll just let me put it on you one more time, we can smooth all of this out, blah, 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 all of that crap.
Oh, so that's a lot in 30 seconds.
Really?
No, it was not. No, it's not what I said. But
When he lies, he puts his hand up like that on his cheek.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's a lie pose.
And you
Exhausting,
found all that out in 72 hours?
I did.
Interesting. Okay. So
you see how aggressive she is about this. This
I'm
is
just excited.
She doesn't need help for her daughter.
Just
This is
come on
about
with the
revenge.
results,
This
please.
is clearly about getting back at me and punishing me for not, I don't know, staying with her forever. I don't know.
Results, please.
As she steps up to testify, she delivers a stunning allegation that immediately captures everyone's attention. According to her, he wanted them to spend one final night together in an attempt to repair their relationship. The unexpected statement leaves the courtroom visibly shocked. She accuses him of being dishonest, while he insists her accusations are motivated by revenge. Stay with us. This case has now become deeply personal.
but it's been 9 years.
I know it's been, it's odd timing, isn't it? Right when I have a fiance and have a son, that's when she chooses to do this? Isn't that kind of odd timing here, Your Honor?
I mean, the timing does seem a little interesting.
I just came to the realization that, hey, I can do it alone, but I don't have to do it alone. If he's taking care of his other son and his fiance, that's fine. I don't need him to take care of me or my daughter, but it would be the right thing to do. And that's what he's going to do.
And
If he's the father.
He's the father.
Okay. And you're sure of that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. All right. Well, I mean, bailiff, we have those results.
After 9 years without any legal action, she suddenly brings the case forward just as he becomes engaged and welcomes a new child. Was it purely a coincidence, or was the timing intentional? She firmly says the case isn't about her. It's about their daughter. He challenges her explanation and questions why she waited so long. The judge reacts with noticeable curiosity. Coming up next, a check is presented in court, adding another unexpected twist.
Got your cashier's check? Because I don't want a
That's
personal
not
check.
nice.
Well, I'm just saying.
You can't say that to him yet, though.
Okay.
We
All
don't
right.
know if he's even going to be the father to pay child support.
I know.
But if you are indeed the father, I wouldn't recommend you make a payment today because the order would just be being signed today.
Is there an appeal process even if I am the father?
What would you be appealing exactly?
I don't think that based on the way she's been treating me and based on her selective choice of when to bring this issue up in order to, harm my relationship with my family, I consider that a form of harassment.
He arrives with cashier's check, prepared to make a payment, but the judge immediately stops the process. The court explains that no child support can be ordered until paternity has been officially established. He then claims she has been harassing him and deliberately trying to disrupt his family. The courtroom falls silent at the accusation. Up next, he surprises everyone with an unexpected legal proposal.
Like I should be able to file maybe a restraining order, and that would prevent me from, if I had a restraining order against her, that would prevent me obviously from having to pay for her child support, wouldn't it?
What is that, a restraint?
No, that's not how any of that works. That was really creative though, but that's not how any of that works. So let me go ahead and tell you what the results say.
All right.
Let's get it over with.
All
Give me a drum roll.
All right. It looks like baby McKinney, because we can't say a child's name, There is no probability he can be the father.
He suggests getting a restraining order to avoid paying child support. The judge is clearly surprised by the idea. Then the moment everyone has been waiting for finally arrives. The DNA test results are revealed, confirming that he is not the father. A stunned silence spreads across the courtroom. Coming up next, she shocks everyone by refusing to accept the truth.
What did you say? What?
You hear that?
What'd you say, Your Honor?
You
Remember-
laughed at that.
Remember
No,
when you
I didn't hear.
Oh, let me say it a
I'm
little
the
louder.
only white person she's been with. Remember,
There is
remember that?
no probability that he is the father.
Okay, so first of all, no disrespect to you, but the letter looks a little sketchy.
Okay.
It wasn't in a
It's got
legal
writing on
size
it.
envelope.
That's why it's
So, and I don't trust him because his uncle is an attorney, okay? And his
Okay.
uncle can do
What does
all
that have to
types
do with
of
anything?
stuff. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So I don't even trust that.
Wait a minute, I believe at the beginning, I asked you all how the test went.
I mean,
and
the
you
test-
said, wait a minute, hold on. You said everything went good.
She insists the DNA results seem wrong and refuses to believe they are accurate. She claims his uncle, who is an attorney, may have interfered with the testing process. As support for her suspicion, she points to a private tattoo. The courtroom is left confused by the accusation. Is she reaching for any explanation, or could there be more behind her claims? Up next, the court examines whether the test was truly conducted fairly.
And it did, and it was fair that day, right?
Yes.
They swabbed her mouth correctly.
The person appeared to be wearing PPE and the person appeared to work, you know, for that service. And the test itself went well, but behind the scenes, Your Honor.
And it
a lot
appears
goes
that
on.
these results are directly from the testing place. And he's not the father.
He is the father. Let me tell you why. Let me tell you why, Your
Let
Honor.
me tell you not. No, he's not.
He's the father.
He's not. So you're gonna you're going
lost.
to argue with DNA
The
test.
DNA test was carried out professionally, and both sides agreed it was done properly. Even then, she refuses to accept the outcome. Emotions continue to rise inside the courtroom. She stands by her claim that he is the father. The judge does everything possible to keep order, but the hearing is close to falling apart. Up next, she starts yelling about the DNA results.
Honor, he is the father. 72 hours. He
He
has a
is
tattoo
not
on
the
his private
father.
parts. He was the only
is
one
not
there. I
the
know.
father. He is not the father.
Show
How
me a
many
tattoo.
times do I have to say that? No, I don't want to see a tattoo. All I want to see was these numbers to see what the probability was going to look like of him being the father. He is not the father. Now,
That was way too much, by the way.
You have a tattoo.
excuse me, you know what? I don't even see why you all need to be having a conversation right now.
I agree.
Can we
you
do a
are not the
retest?
father, which means that you will not be placed on any type of child support or anything.
She raises her voice while he firmly denies every accusation. Despite the DNA findings, she repeatedly insists that he is the child's father. The judge reminds her that the test results have already settled the issue, but she refuses to back down. The exchange quickly escalates into arguments over tattoos, loud shouting, and total courtroom disorder. Up next, she gives a startlingly detailed description of a private tattoo.
Miss McKinney, you do have the right to petition someone else who you may think is the father.
There is no one else, Your Honor. It was him. He has a tattoo on his private part. I was with him and the tattoo for 72 hours. I know what I felt. I know what I saw. Okay, it was him.
Well, there is a probability of something else though.
Okay.
You were probably with somebody else too within that previous 72 hours.
Oh, Your Honor, you tried it.
There's no shade, just facts.
She insists there was never another man. She claims she saw a tattoo on a private part, saying only she could know about it. The judge remains doubtful despite her statement. Was she truly with no one else? Or could she be remembering things incorrectly? Stay tuned. An unexpected twist involving a birthmark is coming next.
Very possible. This
So,
is very likely.
How is it possible?
Because there were like 6 or 7, 8 hours stretches during that time where I didn't see you or know where you were. I don't know what you were doing. You know what? Maybe I'll give you the benefit of the doubt. Maybe you don't even remember this other guy. It's possible with the rate you were going in those days. So I'm willing to grant you that you may not have been lying.
man.
You may
Okay.
not have been lying about thinking that I was the only white guy you were with.
Well, just answer my question. Do you have a tattoo on your private part?
I have a birthmark that kind of looks like a bird. Maybe
No, it
that's what you
says
thought.
Mississippi long. Do you have that tattoo?
Okay,
No.
well, you know what? This is what we're
Never
about to
been to
do.
Mississippi.
This is what we're about to
He shifts the focus, claiming she was gone for long periods during that time. He argues that someone else could have been involved. She then brings up the tattoo once again, but he responds by saying it is actually a birthmark. The judge makes it clear that the courtroom is finished with the back and forth. In the final moments, the judge delivers the court's ruling.
Right, we're not getting anywhere. I've already said what the results were, which means I'm dismissing this case. You are more than welcome to bring another case. And if his account is true that you don't remember, you can bring another case after that. But the court is here to assist you. So if there are no more questions and nothing further, which it shouldn't be, you all are dismissed.
Hell no, it shouldn't be.
Whatever. You got a tattoo.
The judge closes the case. The DNA results confirm he is not the father. The case is dismissed, but the emotional fallout remains. She still has the right to file another case if necessary. But for today, the matter is over. The shouting, the accusations, and the courtroom drama all come to an end. If this case left you shocked, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.